Hey space fans, welcome to the channel that brings the universe to you. Today we're talking about the latest space news and discoveries. From finding faraway galaxies to amazing pictures from the James Webb telescope, it's a great time for space. And of course we'll check in on India's awesome Chandrayaan-3 mission, because exploring space is for everyone. So buckle up and get ready for a cosmic adventure. You know how much we humans love to explore? Well, imagine exploring space. NASA's been doing just that with their powerful telescopes. And guess what? They might have found a new galaxy. Now, this isn't a brand new galaxy. It's super old, maybe billions of years old, and we're just seeing it now. A whole galaxy, out there all this time. This could change everything we know about how galaxies form. Galaxies usually hang out in groups like cosmic neighborhoods, but this one seems to be all alone. So how did it get there? What's its story? These are the mysteries that excite astronomers. It's like finding a hidden village in the desert. You have to wonder about its secrets. That's what makes this so cool. It helps us learn more about the universe and maybe even change what's in science books. It reminds us there's so much more out there. Now let's talk about the James Webb Space Telescope, the best telescope ever. It's like the Hubble telescope's stronger cousin. It can see farther and clearer than ever before. And the pictures it sends back are amazing. The James Webb telescope is trying to see the very first stars and galaxies after the Big Bang. That was over 13 billion years ago. How? Light from back then is just reaching us now. The telescope can see this faint light like a time machine. It's showing us that many of our ideas about the early universe were right. We're seeing baby galaxies forming. But here's the exciting part. It's also showing us things we didn't expect, like it found complex stuff in the air of faraway planets. This stuff is what makes life on Earth. Now this doesn't mean we found aliens, but it does mean the things needed for life might be all over the universe. The James Webb telescope is showing us what's possible. It makes us ask new questions, and it reminds us that the universe is full of surprises. From faraway galaxies, let's come back to our moon. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission is super exciting. It's trying to land gently on the moon. Chandrayaan-3 isn't just about putting a flag on the moon, it's about science. The mission has a rover with cool tools to study the moon's surface. One important area is the moon's south pole, where there might be lots of ice. Why is ice important? Water on the moon could be a big deal for space travel. We could use it for drinking, making oxygen, and even rocket fuel. Imagine the moon as a starting point for missions farther out in space. Chandrayaan-3 is also studying the moon's rocks and magnetic field, which tells us about its history. Every bit of information helps us learn more about our own planet too. Chandrayaan-3 makes India proud and inspires scientists everywhere. It shows that exploring space is about working together to learn more. From finding new galaxies to the James Webb telescope and Chandrayaan-3, it's an amazing time for space. See you next week with more exciting space news. Until then, keep exploring space.